In this online guitar lesson, Jimmy Dillon's going to show you how to play That's How Strong My Love Is by Otis. To better learn this song, get the free guitar blueprint with all the chords, tabs, lyrics, and more at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it'll help you learn this song a lot easier.
Today I'm going to do a classic Otis Redding song. It's called That's How Strong My Love Is. I do this song in the key of E, and I'm going to show you kind of a special sauce on this one that I do. I've heard this song done by a lot of different people. And by the way, please subscribe if you got a mind to. I'd love to hear from you, and hit me up with any comments you may have. So this song I'm doing in the key of E, and I'm going to capo on the 2nd fret here. So bear with me on this one because I think you might maybe appreciate where this is going. So you put that capo and you capo on the 5 highest strings, okay? And this open E string stays open. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to call out the chords the way they lie here. So I'm going to say a D even though it's really an E chord. The shape, because of the capo, is a D. Okay, so if you you make a D chord on this and you hit that open E, has a great sound, almost like an open D tuning. Okay, so I'm going to play the verse changes for you the way I've got it fretted up here. D, A, G, back to D. And then the chorus is the same changes. D, that's how strong A, my love is. G, that's how strong, back to D, my love is. That's how strong my love is. G, that's how strong my love is, back to D. Okay?
Hey friends, we've got a super exciting announcement and we'll get you right back to your guitar lesson. Every Wednesday, Jimmy picks a few winners to give away prizes like free guitar courses, swag and apparel, and occasionally we'll even give away free guitars, gear, and sometimes we even give away cold, hard cash. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're automatically entered into the contest. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to get updates. And be sure to like the video and comment down below and you'll earn even more chances to win. Winners will be announced every Wednesday in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. So keep an eye out for your name being called and good luck. Okay, back to your guitar lesson.
So I do a couple little things here that are, I think, worth mentioning. I do a little lick, I go. So I'm working off the A and the D string. Open, 2, open, back to the D, to the A, 2, down on that D chord. So slow motion it's. And I like that lick because it sort of sets up the song, right? So here's how it goes, and I'm going to take you to the bridge in a second, but I'm going to sing through the verse and the chorus so you get a feel for it. If I was the sun way up there, with my love anywhere, I'd be the moon when the sun go down, just to let you know that I'm still around. That's how strong my love is. That's how strong my Then the bridge goes to B minor, to G, back to B minor, and then to G. One more time. B minor, and then it resolves on the A. Go to A sus. Okay, so keep in mind the version that we probably all heard the most is by Otis Redding. It's got, you know, that funky Memphis stack sound and the horns and everything. But I've sort of approached this from more of an acoustic, you know, solo guitar or two guitar kind of thing. And that's the way I do it when I play it live. So on that bridge there, after you've done the first chorus, or sorry, the second chorus actually. That's how strong my love is. Then you jump to your B minor. Down the ocean, G, deep and wide. Back to B minor. Catch your tears, G, never you cry. Back to B minor. Then it holds the A. To hold you close, love you want. That's how strong my love is. 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 Classic old Otis Redding. I love that old R&B stuff. That's how strong my love is. I'll see you down the road.
Thank you so much for checking out this online guitar lesson with Jimmy Dillon. Remember, you can get the free guitar blueprint for this song that'll help you learn it a lot easier at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it's yours to keep. Also, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and hit the bell notification, because every Wednesday we pick random winners to give away guitar courses, swag, guitar gear, and sometimes we even give away cold hard cash. And all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're eligible to win. And if you want even more chances to win, like this video and leave a comment down below and share it with any friends you think might enjoy. All winners will be announced in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. Good luck.